like, other people didn't get them either, so I just want you to know, you might not know how to use the products in your box. Just want to tell you that. Okay, but whenever like I start talking about the price range, they're like, hold my wine. They're like, hold my wine, Drew. Thanks. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's data that I have for you, it is day 3 of February 2020. Did I say 2019 last night? I think I said 2019 last night. I bet I did. I bet I did. I was just thinking about this. Well, it's 2020. I don't know what I said yesterday. I feel like last night I said 2019. Oh, I'm gonna have to go rewatch the Ipsy video. Okay, so first of all, if you're a brand new YouTube channel, hi, welcome, I'm Drew. This level of scattered is the tone of my entire YouTube channel. If you like this kind of scattered, click subscribe. Join us. If not, subscribe anyway. Whatever. Just do it. Oh, you don't have to. Okay, anyways. So tonight we're going to be opening BoxyCharm. As I said last night, I am not going to be showing the stockpile giveaway in any of the videos this week. Just know that I'm going to actually, for real, be posting the stockpile giveaway video at the end of this week. And it's going to be the biggest giveaway I have ever done on my channel. And it is going to celebrate the fact that I've been on YouTube for 4 years. Yay! Okay, so BoxyCharm is now used to be $20, $21. I'm a little bitter about it still. I don't know. Maybe I'm not bitter, but I'm still like getting used to the fact that it costs more for something that I wasn't paying as much for. And I need to get over it. I know. Because BoxyCharm actually has been doing a good job. But BoxyCharm is $25 per month. So the thing I will say that's weird about this month's BoxyCharm, I'm pretty sure this last month, and I'll have to double check, they didn't give me the option to like pick any custom item for my box. So one of the big things with BoxyCharm now being more expensive is they're like, you get to pick one of your items every month. And I feel like this month I didn't get to do that. I can't actually remember, but I know, I'm pretty sure that they did not let me pick an item for this month's box. So, just gonna say that. Whatever. Okay. So, alrighty. In the very top, I have a little card here, which I think is gonna tell me about the product inside of my box. So I got this, which funny enough, Helicopter Mom, she goes, she messaged me that she's like, I know you're gonna be doing box week soon. Because my mom started getting BoxyCharm. She's like, and I just want you to know, I'm not gonna say what's in my box, but I got my BoxyCharm box and there was no card in there. She's like, there was no description card. She's like, and then she goes, just, and I went and looked, and apparently a lot of people didn't get their BoxyCharm cards this month. So my mom is literally out here. She's like checking out other people's like BoxyCharm like tutorials, and she's like, oh, unboxing. She's like, other people didn't get them either. So I just want you to know, you might not know how to use the products in your box. Just want to tell you that. Okay, but I got my card, so I just, okay. I don't know. I honestly am cracking up because it's so cute. Because my mom was like, I just want to give you a heads up. So like when you're in the video, if you don't get the card telling you what's in the box, just wanted you to be prepared for that. And I was like, thanks, Mom. Awesome. So on the very top here, we have Evio Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. Ooh, hemp wipes. That's kind of awesome. These are like makeup cleansing wipes. Now, I don't know, like I actually realized that I should keep some of these things once in a while because this is stuff like when I'm traveling, it's nice to have these to like remove makeup, especially like if I'm somewhere and it's like late at night and I can't like get to do my full scrub off routine. The makeup removing wipes are something like I used to be like, okay, I'll put those in the box. I'm like, I actually should be keeping those because once I travel, I'm always like, I needed those. I didn't have them. So, all right, the next item, oh my gosh, Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Oh, I got really excited. I didn't even know what it was from Ciate London, but I'll tell you what, I've decided that I like their brand. So I was like, whatever they put in here from them, I'm excited to try it. Doesn't matter. I'm like, it's setting powder? Perfect. I'm excited to try it. Great. Ciate London. Those are my people. Alright, so this is just a white setting powder. I'm actually going to read a little bit about this before I decide whether or not I'm going to keep it. I know I just said all that about Ciate London. It's only because I do have some setting powder right now. And I'm so big on like not keeping things that I may not end up using. You know what I mean? Like I don't know. I want to just read a little bit to see the kind of like texture it's supposed to be, etc. Alright, next we have facial radiance pads. Okay, this is bomb from Fab Beauty. Guys, First Aid Beauty is the bomb, and I actually used to use these a long time ago. These pads, you do them after you like remove all your makeup and stuff. They're like little radiance pads, and they just get all the extra junk off of your skin, and I'm excited. How many are in one of these? They have like a full size. This is so dope. This is awesome. 28 pads. This is going to last me for 28 days. Then my skin's going to be upset. The next thing that we have is, oh my gosh, Ciate Somerville. No freaking way. KX Active Concentrates Biomimicking Peptide Serum. Y'all, they put a Ciate Somerville serum. I know I just got serum last night. I guess I have more serum. Like, I'm just like, it's Ciate Somerville. I guess I have more serum. No freaking way. Okay, literally BoxyCharm. I feel like whenever like I start talking about the price range, they're like, hold my wine. They're like, hold my wine, Drew. Thanks. All right, this looks insane. Ciate Somerville is awesome. Oh my gosh, this is really nice. So I will be honest with you, this serum I probably am going to use as like, so I kind of mentioned last night that I put on like 2 serums a day. So in the morning, like morning and night, I actually always layer up with 2 serums. And I like to do one that's kind of like this, where it's like a more like absorbent and then a hydrating. Because in Wisconsin, it's ice cold here. Literally, like my skin would be like shriveled up freezer land if I didn't double down on the serum. So this is a really good, like for putting on like first, like to soak into this, like to like set the skin, and then putting a more hydrating one as the second. Oh my God, this is exciting. Okay, and then finally got some brushes. You guys, last night I was just talking about brushes, and we got a set of 3 brushes. So now I'm gonna actually pull out the card that apparently like nobody else got. So the Ciate Somerville serum, which is $98, by the way, specially formulated this highly active concentrate to transform dull, sagging skin into visibly firmer, smoother, refreshed looking skin after just 1 week. 97% of women reported their skin appeared visibly tighter. I'm excited because I have been worried about looking older. Although I did get carded twice in the last week. I was like, God bless you. Thank you for that. Alamar Cosmetics Complexion Brush Trio. This vegan and cruelty-free 3-piece brush set comes complete with a complexion brush, bronzer brush, and a brightening brush suitable for all skin types. Okay. I don't know why, but like suitable for all skin types. I feel like brushes, I don't know. Okay, delivering a flawless finish. So one of these is supposed to be a bronzer brush, a complexion brush, and a brightening brush. So I'm guessing a highlighter brush. Should we look at these? Let's peek at them. Let's see what we're working with here. Because I kind of want to see like how poofy they are. Oh my gosh. Oh, I like the little, oh, I like it. That's cute. This is the brightening brush. This is to be a highlighter brush. Okay, I'm going to keep this. I need a new highlighting brush. All right, let's see what the other 2 brushes look like. This one is it doesn't say. What is it? Complexion brush. So I'm guessing this is more of like a powder all over. I don't know. I feel like sometimes they put terms on brushes and I'm just like, just say what you want me to do with it. You know what I mean? Like just be like, this is what you do with this brush. And then this one I'm guessing, is this the bronzer? This is the bronzer brush. Wow. Oh, wow. So the bottom of this, okay. Can you guys see all that? It's like unleveled. That's weird. I'll try it. I just put a bunch of brushes in the giveaway last night, so I'm going to try these out and see how I like them. And then the First Aid Beauty Radiance Pads, I'm really excited about trying those because those are really good for like exfoliating the skin. And then the Lock in Your Makeup for Long Lasting Wear with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Delicately coconut fragrance, take you back to your beach vacay every day. This finely milled and lightweight loose powder smooths over makeup for a crease-free soft finish with no flashback. Oh, maybe I'll try it. It smells like coconut. I don't know why I just smelled the box. That doesn't make any sense. That's not gonna work, but I'm gonna try it anyway. All right, let's peel back the little sticky thing in here if I can. This is like the good old days where like I could never open anything. Do you guys remember those days where like I'd be in videos suffering for like an hour just trying to open stuff? That's where we're going back to right now. This is where the channel is heading back to, is the good old days where Drew can't open anything. Nope, still not. Come on. Oh, dang it. Oh, there we go. There we go. See some traction? Getting somewhere? Nope, just kidding. That was a lie. Almost. Oh wait, there we are. Yes, yes. Oh wow, this does smell like coconuts. That's weird. That is super duper weird. I don't know how I feel about that. I guess I'll find out how I feel about it when I put it on my skin tomorrow. Yep. And then we got these biodegradable multitasking EVO Skin Aurora wipes made with hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin hydrated. The antibacterial wipes are infused with cannabis sativa seed oil to reduce inflammation and avoid irritation. And these ones are only $10. Apparently the facial radiance pads are only $16. That's actually a really good price. I thought they were a lot more expensive. Interesting. And then they're saying like that I should upgrade to the Luxe box because they've got like really cool items coming in there. All right, whatever. So that's everything I got in my box. It looks like I'm actually keeping everything in the BoxyCharm box this month. It's all stuff that like I actually want to try out, stuff that I don't like actually have or have tried. Like I have some like stuff similar, but not like, I've never tried the Kate Somerville serum. I mostly ever only tried the exfoliate, so I'm really excited for it. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week. Have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 4 of Box Week where I talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Obsessed with it. And I don't know if I've ever tried this brand before, and I don't see a card in here, so I want to look at the card to see like what the deal is with this type of serum. Is that weird? There's no card. Do you feel weird about that? I feel weird about that. And then